to check hours played on PlayStation app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to check hours played on your PlayStation app. So first of all you have to do is just install the PlayStation app in your device, and once you're done installing the application in your device, just simply log into your account using your credentials. And if you don't have an account, just simply click on sign in, and after that just create your account on your PlayStation. And once you are done logging into your account, just click on the three dot menu icon from the top left hand side of the screen. And over here you will be able to see a bunch of options like games, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, services, accessories, news, stores and other options. So just simply click on PlayStation 5, and after that just simply click on the game section from there. Since my PlayStation account is brand new and I haven't played any game on my PlayStation 5 as of now, so I won't be able to see the list of the apps or the games that I have played on my PlayStation. But if you're playing PlayStation for a while now, you will be able to see different games that you have played in the past in your PlayStation 5 or 4, whatever you are playing, and along with the timing and the hours that you have spent on that particular game. So on this particular section under the game tab, you will be able to see the list of the games that you have played in the past along with the number of hours you have spent there. So this is the easiest way and the simplest way through which you will be able to track the hours you have spent on any particular game in your PlayStation account. So this is basically how you will be able to check hours played on PlayStation app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.